7 general orders. Number 1, to take charge of dispose all government property in view. Number 2, to walk my post in military manner, keeping always on alert and observing everything that takes place with sight and hearing. Number 3, to report all violation of orders I am instructed to enforce. Number 4, to repeat my calls from posts more distance from the guardhouse than my own. Number 5, to quit my post when only properly relieved. Number 6, to receive, obey, and pass to the all sentinel who relieves me all orders from commanding officer, officer of the day, and non-commissioned officers of the guard only. Number 7, to talk to no one except the line of duty. Number 8, to give alarm in case of fire or disorder. Number 9, to call the commander of reliefs in any case not covered by instruction. Number 10, to salute all officers of colors in standard, not case. Number 11, to be especially watchful at night during the time of challenging, to challenge all persons on near my post, and to allow no one to pass without proper authority.
The manual of arms and rifle. Kalang balikat. Ta! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kaliwang balikat. Ta! 1,